just working this in. Okay, we're done there. Indian yellow, let's start right in the middle here. Do a smiley face there, and we'll do another smiley face upside down. There you go, happy face and a smiley face. Just blend that off down there somewhere. Something like that, I think. Let's go with some phthalo green. Nice dollop of that. Okay, phthalo green around here. Just go straight through there. Follow this smiley face round. Around here. Phthalo green. Okay, there's plenty of green on there. Just a little bit of blue. It's mixing with the green on the brush, but it's just a little bit of a different colour up there. I'm just gonna sort of mix these in a little bit here and there. Dab it in. There we go, something like that. Titanium white. Let's go with some white, and then we're going to do some blending. The blending is the thing that makes it all come alive. So yeah, just a little bit of white on the fan brush. And let's think about how these sort of, any old sort of patterns. Ooh, there we go. I'll pull some little, just put some little things in there as well. Some little sparklers. Spam the chat with like with a smiley face right now if you love Bob and Bender. Bob and Brenda need loving. I'll start over here. We'll just make all these beautiful lights. I think I'll stay sort of down this area first. Stay in that sort of yellow. I'm just going to lift straight up here. Alright, come back over here. Look at that, isn't that amazing? Go up here, pull this up. We can add some more colour to these to brighten them up, but we're getting there. Look at that, beautiful, just pulling straight through that colour. We'll just come in here and do some little things here. Make this bright over here, we'll come back over there. I know, something like this. Let's just gently mist this out. Again, you can add some more stuff here and there. Just want it sort of misty. A misty sort of feel. Add a little bit more here. I like doing that in 2 layers. I think it looks better than just the one. I think it's more 3-dimensional. Most of it, I think, we're just going to pull down here. I'm just going to have a sheen of light tonight. Sometimes you can do the exact reflections of these, but I'm not going to do that tonight. Just going to put all this colour down. I don't know where my water's going, so I'm doing the whole lot, and then we're going to paint over it and leave some there, basically. Okay, so we're going to pull this colour down with a big brush. There we go. Just keep pulling that down. Pull down. Look at them beautiful colours coming through. It's pretty amazing, right? I want to make sure I go right to the bottom of the canvas. Okay, here we go. Watch this change. And that is how we do water. Look at that. Now we can do whatever we want. Beautiful, amazing, thank you. Amazing. It's amazing. It really is. Every time. Love it. Let's put the painting back into position. That's lovely. It does reflect the sky colours. Beautiful. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Thank you so much. Beautiful. Thank you. Amazing. Says Robin. How you doing, Robin? There we go. Isn't that just better than someone dancing on TikTok? Don't you think? Surely that's better than someone. You can already see little things here and there just from these brush marks, but I'm gonna put some land there, just change it up. So yeah, I've got some black that I put on there, and I'm just gonna get all these colours that I've got left over, the yellow, the green. Take this dollop of black, put that in there, and I'm gonna make a big pile of dark colour, mix all that up thoroughly. There we go. Just a nice bit of thick, dark colour. There we go. Pull that flat. I'm just going to use a fan brush and do this. And just lay out some land, basically, where I want this land. How do I want this picture to be? Start somewhere over here. Just putting some dark colour in. We'll make this one sort of go up and down. Yeah, it goes up a little bit there. Maybe it goes up a little bit there. Just tapping the fan brush on. Let's go like this. Like this. Fill all this in. Fast forward. Through there. Just do that for now. All this bit here is going to get covered up. Texturise this in a moment. Down here. We'll just put a nice bit here, just in front there, with them little grassy areas just poking up. There we go. Come a little bit further there. Pull this colour down now. Just swipe across here. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? I think I've made a green that's okay. Just made that myself. Oh, clever. See how this, just sort of see how this lays across there. This is where we want to make the land now, so at the top, small little taps. Burn some of these. We have these coming down towards us, look. See if I can get a little bit of a brighter spot there. There we go. If you haven't been to the website, make sure you go and have a look. And a print is a print of my, yeah, a print of any print this size, 30 by 40, is delivered for free, and it's 45 quid to the UK. Just something like that. And just a little waterline here and there. Just a little waterline that sort of comes down here. Go up and down. Little places there. Things on him. A nuppy tree. You see that one's now in front of that one. This one comes right just there. Just a few little things poking through here. And then just let that come sort of down here. Put some little highlights on here. Bring that across. Some little ones there. Emerald River. Painting number 288. There's my signature. I love the way the river just sort of comes round.